How to use collapsible text in Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to use collapsible text in your Wix Studio website. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can choose the website. I'm gonna choose this one. You can click on it and then you will be in the website dashboard. Now you can navigate to edit site here. You can click on it. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So now you can choose the section that you want to add the collapsible text. I'm gonna add the collapsible text in here. So now you can navigate to add element here. And then as you can see, there is some option here. Now you have to go to text here. And now you have some option here and there is collapsible text. You can click on it. And there is two options of the collapsible text. You can choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose this one. You can drag and drop, maybe like this. You can customize it. You can change the text. You can change the text. You can choose expand or link. I'm gonna choose link, and then now you can choose links to your page or your post. It's up to you. I'm gonna choose page. You can choose the page, maybe contact, just for example, and then you can choose new window or current window. I'm gonna choose new window, and then click done. And also, you can choose the accessible name if you want, and then you can also change the layout. Maybe you want to be like this or like this. It's up to you. And then you can choose the direction, and then also the alignment if you want. I'm gonna make it like this. And that's it, how to use collapsible text in Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.